So today we're putting stair nosing on these stairs in our church. We just put new carpet in this area, carpet tile. There's another video if you want to check that out. But we've decided to paint the front of the steps rather than carpet them because we wanted the contrast in color. Now it's real similar color, but there is some contrast. And so we're putting some stair nosing on there. So in our research, we found stair nosing anywhere from $2 to $10 a foot. So we're looking for some more inexpensive ways to do it. And we came up with this. Let me show you what we're doing. So if you're looking for an inexpensive way to fix your stair nosing, and not buy the rubber ones or not buy the vinyl, those things are really nice. But if you've got a lot of stairs, then you may be like a little apprehensive about spending that much money. And so I picked up this corner trim. It's a 1/4-inch corner trim at our local hardware store. It's like $6 and something for an 8-foot piece. And I've measured our steps and I'm going to cut each piece based on that. Most of the steps are the same, but there's about a 1/4-inch difference from top to bottom, and so some of them are a little different. But what I'm going to do, just so that I keep up with it, I've diagrammed it out to where I measured from the top step all the way to the bottom. I know which one's which, and which one measures whatever it measures, whether it's, in my case, it's 39 inches or 38 3/4 or 39 1/4. And I'm going to write that on the back of it because we're going to actually paint these black. And I'm going to write on the back so I can keep up with which one goes where, so it's not confusing when I get there. So I'm going to cut these out, paint them up, and then go and attach them to the steps. So now that our strips are cut, we are opting to paint them. We're going to paint ours black. Obviously you can do whatever you want. We come close to staining them. There's a lot of stained wood in our church, but our carpet is dark, so we thought we would just kind of keep with that same color scheme. And so we're going to paint these right quick and let them dry it. So that took 3 cans of paint. Those are about $4 a piece. Painted the outside of the entire, what's showing, and then just turned them over and painted that lip right there. So now it's time to go put them on. So we're back inside the church and we have our pieces laying here and we've got them separated out. And we've diagrammed from when we measured, at the top to the bottom, which goes where. So we know exactly which ones go where, so we don't get that mixed up. We have a 39 1/4 pile and a 39 pile, and these are 38 1/2 and 38 3/4, and then we have a solid black on the inside of the corner to put down here on the bottom. So we're using brad nails today. We're using 1 1/4 inch because we just had them laying around, so there's no point in buying more. And we already had the brad nail gun. So we're gonna get busy putting those on, show you the finished product. That was a very easy project to do. Couple hours total. Once you cut your boards, paint them up and wait on them to dry, and then, nail them down. And at some point we're going to come back and change these out to like black, but for now this is how it is, and our carpet will be protected and it looks good. So this is about $1 a foot, and that includes everything for your corner trim and also the paint and everything. You see, that's a nice addition to the steps. So there you go. That was a quick and easy and inexpensive way to put stair nosing on. Because the more stairs you've got, that really adds up to be a lot of money fast, and this is definitely one that won't break the bank. So appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.